Should you be storing your glasses up or down in your cabinet? And yes, there's a right answer. We learn organizational habits from a lot of places. It can depend on how you saw it done growing up, or maybe it's just something you've done your entire life. But is what you've been doing your entire life the correct thing you should be doing with your glassware? According to experts, you should be storing your glassware up at all times in your cabinets. The reason being that glassware is always heavier on the bottom. If you store them upside down with the heavier part being on top, it weakens the top where it's a little more weak already, and it makes the glass more prone to chipping. If you're worried about dust or grime getting into your cups, the truth is you're probably using your glassware often enough that it's not a problem. According to our experts, when entertaining, a cup should always be right side up and ready to go. And we think, cheers to that.